Hello everyone, I'm Kishore. I'm from Bangalore. I recently completed my BTech in Electronics and Communications. I was very interested in networking field. That's when I found Networkers Home. I have to thank all my trainers who were very supportive in my career growth, especially Sushil sir, Avinash sir, and Ajay sir. I enrolled for CCIE security course in which I gained very strong knowledge in firewalls, VPNs, routing and switching, and Linux. Apart from this, they also provide classes like communication classes and interview prep classes and mock interviews. The mock interviews was really helpful for me in cracking my interview. The lab facilities here are really good. It was really helpful for my practice sessions and get hands-on experience. Thank you, Networkers Home, for being a part of my career growth. I would suggest Networkers Home for anybody who's willing to enhance their career in networking field.